Hi, and welcome to the second episode of Q&A with Upside Technica. In this series, we will be answering all of your questions about digital marketing. We received a lot of great questions, and in this episode, we will be answering an important one. The question is, can I make money online? The short answer is yes, you absolutely can make money online. In fact, there are countless people around the world who are earning a full-time income by working on the internet. One of the most popular ways to make money online is through digital marketing. Digital marketing is the process of promoting products or services using digital technologies, such as social media, email, and search engines. To make money through digital marketing, you'll need to first find a product or service that you believe in and that you think will be in demand. Then you'll need to create a marketing plan that outlines how you're going to promote the product or service and reach your target audience. Once you have a plan in place, you can start implementing your marketing strategies. This could include creating engaging content for social media, running paid advertisements on search engines or social media platforms, or even starting a blog or YouTube channel to promote the product or service. As you promote the product or service, you'll be able to earn money through various methods, such as commissions on sales, advertising revenue, or even by selling the product or service directly to customers. Of course, like any other business, making money through digital marketing takes hard work and dedication. You'll need to be willing to put in the time and effort to learn about the industry and to continually improve your marketing skills. But with persistence and determination, it's definitely possible to make a good living through digital marketing. So, to answer the question, can I make money online? The answer is a resounding yes. With digital marketing, you can earn a good income by promoting products and services that you believe in and that you know will be in demand. All it takes is a bit of hard work and dedication, and you can be on your way to making money online. Are you looking to learn digital marketing but don't know where to start? Look no further. The easiest way to learn digital marketing is by subscribing to my YouTube channel. I offer a variety of engaging and informative videos that will teach you everything you need to know about digital marketing. From the basics to advanced strategies, my videos cover it all. Plus, I regularly post new content, so you'll always have something new to learn. That concludes this episode of Q&A with Upside Technica. We hope that you found the information we provided to be helpful and informative. If you have any other questions about digital marketing, don't hesitate to submit them to us, and we will do our best to answer them in future episodes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more great content.